Folks, imagine building a fully functional smart bot without spending hours writing every single line of code. Let AI handle the heavy lifting for you, while you focus on the fun part, the logic, the design, and the creativity. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today, we're diving into Z.ai and exploring the new GLM-5 model, a real breakthrough in AI-powered coding. It can process huge chunks of script and generate well-structured projects almost automatically. We'll take it step by step from a simple query to building a fully functional Telegram bot that adapts to user progress in real time. I'll show you how GLM-5 can handle everything, from writing the code to creating subtasks and integrating libraries. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's dive in. Guys, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and exploring one of the most powerful platforms out there, Z.ai. Our main focus is on the new GLM-5 model, which is a real breakthrough in smart algorithms. It's faster than its predecessors and has a massive context window, which means it can handle entire books of code with ease. The main strengths of GLM-5 are deep logical reasoning and incredible precision in coding. For beginners, this translates to fewer errors and clearer explanations for each line. On Z.ai, you'll find a user-friendly interface where all the developer tools you need are right at your fingertips. Friends, on the platform you have two main modes to choose from: the regular chat and the agent mode. Chat works great for quick questions and answers, but for serious development, we'll use agent mode. This mode is designed for complex projects that require deep research and long code sequences. Once we hit confirm, the real magic begins. The key feature of agent mode is that it moves from simple conversation to executing real tasks. The model doesn't just answer, it breaks down big tasks into smaller subtasks, a process called decomposition. GLM-5 also automatically selects the right tools for each stage of the process. In this demo, we're asking it to create a bot system that analyzes user progress and adjust the difficulty of future lessons automatically. The agent can understand complex instructions and build the architecture of our app step by step. Folks, right now, the model is generating the main code. It has broken our task of writing the bot into 6 subtasks and is already working on the first one. Thanks to GLM-5's enhanced reasoning abilities, the script comes out highly structured, including functions and classes for saving progress and calculating learning difficulty. For beginners, it's important to understand that the model doesn't just copy templates, it logically justifies every step. If we need to change any part of the code, we can do it on the fly, and the agent adapts everything to meet the new requirements. Guys, now let's take a look at the results of the model. Right in front of us is a ready-to-use Python file containing the logic for our smart bot. The tool has outlined the system architecture, including the core components, key features, the classes it uses, and even a usage example. It also gave us a demo output in the terminal, showing a live session with the user and which samples are being used. Essentially, the platform not only created the project, but also ran and tested it for us, handling everything from creating a user to delivering the learning results. What's more, we don't need to install anything on our computer to run this project. Everything is built into Z.ai, including its own terminal. Running the script generates demo data automatically. Mates, the system immediately analyzes performance, gives initial recommendations, assesses skill levels, and suggests what to focus on next. This is true adaptive learning in action. Next, we wanted to make our project truly mobile. So we asked GLM-5 to integrate our logic into a Telegram bot. It handled creating the start command and embedding the learning logic directly into the Messenger framework. This way, we focus on the core program, and the AI takes care of the technical connection with the platform. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! As you can see, GLM-5 once again broke the task into subtasks, adding all the necessary libraries, commands, and implementing everything in the keyboard. It worked on this step by step and fully implemented our bot's logic inside Telegram. Now we can see all the available commands and key integration points. Folks, the AI even provides complete instructions on how to launch the bot. First, we go to Botfather and press Start, then Start Creating. It asks us to choose a name and then gives us the token. Instead of manually editing the code, we handed this routine over to our agent. Using the prompt, it inserted the token, ran the terminal command, and set everything up automatically. The agent navigates the file structure, updates the access key, saves the changes, and runs the bot. We can then go to Telegram and see it responding. This confirms the generation is fully launched and working. GLM-5 also confirms everything is running and ready to use. Friends, now we can see all the commands as outlined in the bot's logic. We can track progress or continue learning, and everything works seamlessly. Our bot is up and running, collecting the first user success data in real time. Folks, do you see how well our learning program is working? We use Z.ai's powerful data insight tool. We open a new chat and enable data insight. Here we see a recommended chart, and I want to load a CSV file into the Quick Charts tool. I drag in the file named progress.csv, which contains our learning results. Folks, in the prompt field, I explained that we've collected user data in this file and need a visual dashboard and report in the form of a chart. The AI analyzes the file, identifies the skills, and generates a professional Excel report. And just like that, it creates a comprehensive learning project dashboard for us. In XLS format, we get key insights from our data, including the most difficult lessons, difficulty levels, and performance correlations. It even explains the dashboard structure. Now, guys, let's look at our data. GLM-5 not only analyzed it, but also created summary statistics and full charts. We can see trends in learning progress over time, scores by lesson sorted by performance, and average scores by difficulty level. Everything is beautifully visualized in an Excel table. What's really great is that in Z.ai, we don't just get raw numbers, we get actionable insights that help improve our project for the end user. They make it easy to understand where learners struggle and how to adjust lessons to maximize results. Friends, to wrap up our project, we'll use the Smart Writing tool. It turns all our work into professional documentation. I'll choose a business style and fast writing mode, then ask the system to prepare a complete report on our Telegram bot development in doc format. I send this prompt to GLM-5, and we can watch as it generates the file createreport.js. It includes every detail we need, and the document structure is fully ready to use. Folks, now we have a complete report analyzing our bot and all the collected data. From a blank page, we've built a full intelligence system on Z.ai. We have seen how agent mode helps write code, how AI can be seamlessly integrated into real services, and how to professionally analyze results. Alright, my friends, let's wrap this up with some final thoughts. Today, we explored Z.ai and GLM-5 and saw just how powerful it is. It handles complex bot logic, Telegram integration, and user analytics, which makes adaptive development feel almost effortless. You don't need to install anything, and everything from coding to testing happens seamlessly. So if you're ready to experiment, build your own projects, or just geek out with AI, Z.ai is definitely worth checking out. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.